What's going on, guys? Seancutshair back with another video. I got my most epic beard for you guys today, and normally my beard videos don't do as well as my other videos, so if you're watching this, do me a favor, smash that like button. But without further ado, guys, let's get right into this video. Alright guys, we're going to start off with a number 2 open with the grain. We're going to flick out into the beard length that we have. We'll end up freehanding the rest later. Immediately we'll flip that over and go against the grain with the number 2, setting up this whole panel to fade into. First step will be the lever all the way open, just like a fade. Then we'll do halfway open in the middle of that section and closed at the top. Again guys, just like a fade, just flip-flopped. Then we need to use our trimmer to get it all the way down to the shaver stubble that is above where we started with the fade. So we'll use our sharper trimmer after that, and then our shaver if we need to, guys. Just like the fade part, we're just doing it upside down. Now I still see a little bit of a line there where the closed clipper would be, so guys, I'm just using my lever to work this out. Now we'll come in and the line here we'll take out with a 1 guard open, and then we'll close it up above that, and it should be blended together. The last little line here between the 2 and the 1, just like normal, we'll use the 1.5. Now we'll go ahead and come in, we're gonna line this up. We're just gonna take it straight down the back right here, get a nice vertical line. Then we'll come in and do the rest of the freehand and the bottom line later. I will clean up the top of his cheek so that when we come in with the razor, we won't irritate his skin by shaving off so much hair. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and blend this side out. I'll let you guys follow along and we'll get together on the mustache. So now we're going in the mustache. He does like a pretty heavy mustache, so I'm using a 1.5 closed and I'm going with the grain to cut it down. Now I'm coming in with my absolute hitters and we're just gonna line this up right on the top of his lip. He doesn't want a whole lot off. Like I said, he does like the thicker, fuller mustache, so we're not gonna really make this really thin or anything. Just gonna get it off of his lip. Now to begin our freehand shape, guys, I like to use a clipper that is gonna freehand well. This clipper closed cuts very well, so I'm gonna work my way around. I'm standing all the way to the side so that I can see that edge that I'm cleaning up, and any hair that's protruding past the shape of the beard that I want, I'm cutting off. So you see me working my way around the chair. You can see me taking the length off where I don't want it, just creating that round shape, and then we'll work our way down. You'll even be able to see here, I am gonna come in with my left hand and get this side straight down like the other side. I am right-handed, so the other side's a little bit easier. So now that we have that shape, guys, we'll start to round this bottom end. So you can see the way I'm coming in with my clipper and I'm starting to clean up the bottom. So now we've come straight down. We're gonna work our way rounding into the bottom, and then the very last thing we do will be straighten up the bottom. So you'll really be able to see it here. Just taking off a little bit. We just wanna make that shape nice and clean, round it into the bottom, use it where it's full and keep it as full and as good looking as possible, but we do want to clean it up. He did want it cleaned up. So you guys can see the shape coming together. Just moving our way down. The very last will be the very bottom. Just making that shape super nice. You can see my man's talking here. He is one of my most talkative clients. And guys, that's just something you got to deal with. You got to work when he's not talking. Try to let him finish his story. Then you can get to talking and tell whatever you're trying to tell. Try to keep him occupied so he's listening while you're lining up his beard. But you can see I'm still having a little bit of trouble here, but it's just part of it. So you guys see we're just making the shape that we want. Again, using a good clipper that's going to freehand well, you can see that I'm able to just shape this exactly how I want. Then we can come in with a trimmer underneath and get the line nice and perfect and go ahead and bald out the rest of that underneath. Now guys, I am going to use fibers on his hairline. You'll see right here how lightly I dust them on. You guys can't even see these fibers going on hardly at all. And then when we come in with the razor, you're really going to see this line pop. And he just prefers the fibers, guys. Been doing his beard for 2 or 3 years. And this is what he likes. So these are the Topic hair fibers. These are medium brown. I do get those at Sally's, guys, if you want to get fibers like that. So we'll come in, use our razor. You guys will see this line really pop. So I am dry shaving now, but earlier in this video, I went ahead and took all the hair off of his cheeks so that I could come in and dry shave this line. So you see, we're gonna get this beard line super crispy. You guys will see this thing really come together and start to look sharp. And you guys can also see the fibers left on his face right there. So I'm gonna come in with my razor and take those off and make sure his cheek is cleaned up. Now I'll come in and do the same thing on the other side. So a light dusting of fibers, guys, you should barely be able to see them. This is why I don't use the enhancement card here. I don't even wanna see them until I put this razor line on, and it will really make it pop. So very important, guys, stretch the skin away from the blade. You can actually almost make the curve of the beard straight when you're coming in with the razor if you stretch the skin right. That's how you can use a flat razor to make a curved line. So you guys will stretch the skin, it'll pull that line straight, hit it with your razor, and when you let off, it'll pop back to that sharp curve, and you guys can see it happen right here. Alright guys, there you can see the before, super grown out beard, and absolutely a transformation, guys. This is my favorite beard that I have. Super extra crispy, nice shape up, full, nice looking beard. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please, please, please smash that like button for your boy. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think about this beard on my man Easton, man, one of my favorite clients. Make sure you guys subscribe. I got plenty more content like this coming soon, and I'll catch you next time.